We have a breaking news coming in. A magnitude 6.5 magnitude earthquake has struck southeast of Sinabang, Aceh, Indonesia at 4:56 AM GMT today, according to the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency. The earthquake, with a depth of 13 kilometers, occurred at 61 kilometers southeast of Sinabang in the Indian Ocean. No immediate reports of casualties or major damage have been confirmed. The assessments of the situation are still underway. The region continues to experience seismic activity as part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Now we move on to World Report.